Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to explore how to build a backlog funnel using Jira. So if you're a head of department or a PMO in charge of overseeing projects and ensuring they align with your organization goals, this video is just for you. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing and ring the bell so you won't miss on any of our latest content. So what is a backlog funnel? It is a structured process used in project management and product development used to collect, evaluate and prioritize ideas for potential projects in future. It typically consists of several steps. It helps to keep your backlog clean and also helps organizations manage their ideas systematically, ensuring that only the best ideas make it to the execution phase. It also helps organizations align projects with their strategic goals. There are actually different ways how you can create a backlog funnel using Jira, but today I'm going to show you how to do it using Jira Product Discovery. Let's start with capturing ideas. Initially, you can add all ideas to Jira Product Discovery, and for that purpose, you can use the All Ideas screen that is already created for you when you create a Product Discovery project. This stage is about gathering as many ideas as possible to ensure no potential opportunities are lost. So the next step is initial review. Once the ideas are collected, you can perform an initial review to filter out all the ideas that are not feasible or relevant. For that, you can use the default workflow. To do that, all you need to do is add the status field. Let's add it now and let's move it somewhere closer here. Also add a filter. So let's add a filter again based on the status to filter out all the ideas that are not in the parking lot. So the parking lot would be the status for the ideas that were captured but were not initially reviewed or prioritized at the moment. The next step is scoring and prioritization. So again, you can apply filters to focus on those items that are in the discovery or the impact stage. You have these additional screens here available, for example, the impact assessment or the impact and effort, where you can score and prioritize based on different criteria such as impact, effort and strategic alignment. So you can add all these different fields. Let's add the effort, and you can create advanced formulas. So for example, I can go and edit this field and add different input that will be taken into account when calculating the score. So for example, I can add additional criteria such as the insights, product areas, values, and all sorts of other custom fields that you create and would like to use. Once you update the fields that are taking account when calculating the score, impact score will be updated accordingly. And you can also use the impact and effort screen to present your ideas to a broader audience. During the discussion, update the effort and impact or create metrics that will take into account other criteria as mentioned before. This step helps you to identify the valuable ideas to pursue and later add to your roadmap. However, before you transition your ideas into the backlog and create a timeline or a roadmap for that, you can collect feedback from your team members, stakeholders, and actually include such criteria to the scoring formula. This is referred as the insight. This step ensures that the most valuable ideas are developed and, what's also important, improved upon. Alright. So the last step would be to transition to backlog. You can also create a roadmap of all your ideas. To move items for planning and execution, all you need to do is go to the delivery status, when you can check whether the specification designs are ready, and you can create a delivery ticket or link it to an existing item in your Jira, which will allow you to create an epic story, all the issue types that you have in your Jira project, in which you'll be creating the issue directly from this interface. So that's definitely great. Now, by following these steps, you can ensure that all your ideas are considered and evaluated systematically, but that's not all. Additionally, you can leverage tools like BigPicture or Structure to build a professional project portfolio management environment. These tools provide a comprehensive overview of all your projects, helping you manage ongoing efforts efficiently. And by the way, Jira Product Discovery is licensed differently than other products available on the Atlassian marketplace, so you don't have to purchase it for everyone, making it a cost-effective solution for your teams. Also, if you need any help with selecting the best tools for your organization or need help with optimizing the existing processes, we help companies optimize their processes and tools to work faster and smarter in the Atlassian's ecosystem. Want to see how quick and easy it can be? Here's how you can contact us. And if you're interested in more videos about building a portfolio overview or resource management, we got you covered. Check out other videos available on our channel for more insight. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.